So welcome students, we will continue from the rest part. Progestogens alone or in combinations with estrogen can also be used by females as injections or implants under the skin. Okay, as we know that the levels of hormones plays a vital role in the human reproductive health. Okay, instead of estrogens and progesterone, we are getting progestogens. Okay, progestogens is a class of hormones that are responsible for synthesizing progesterone. Okay, so their mode of action is similar to that pills, and their effective periods are much longer. Administration of progestogens and progestogen estrogens combinations or IUD within 72 hours of coitus have been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptives, as they could be used to avoid possible pregnancy due to rape or casual unprotected intercourses. Okay, so to avoid pregnancy within 72 hours of the coitus, these combinations of progestogens and estrogens will be medicated. Then come to surgical methods. Surgical methods, also called sterilization, are generally advised for the male and female partners as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies. Okay, surgical interventions block gamete transfer and thereby prevent conceptions. So sterilization process, look to the diagram over here. In left hand side we have vasectomy, and in right hand side we have tubectomy. So in vasectomy there is a cut of the vas deferens, which is a part of human male reproductive system. So cutting of vas deferens will block the passage of sperms from the testicles into the urethra. Okay, this is called vasectomy. Surgical removal or surgical cutting in the vas deferens inhibits the transfer of sperm cells into the urethral tract. This is a surgical method, which is a permanent method. Okay, then come to tubectomy, the surgical removal or surgical cutting of fallopian tube to prevent the flow of secondary oocyte from the ovary to the ampullary region. Okay, so by doing these kinds of methods, we can permanently break our pregnancy. This is permanent method of birth control. So, and in the female, tubectomy, and in male there is vasectomy. In vasectomy, a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied off through a small incision in the scrotum, whereas in tubectomy a small part of fallopian tube is removed or tied off within a small incision in abdomen or through vagina. These techniques are highly effective, but their reversibility is very poor. Okay, as these are tissues. Okay, these are tissues or not? Yes, tissues. So if you cut and tissue, there is again chance of remitting. Okay, as there is again chance of remitting these tubes, then there is also chance of getting the sperm cells into the urethral tract. So to avoid that, we have to break it. It needs to emphasize that the selection of suitable contraceptives methods and its use should always be undertaken in consultation with qualified medical professionals. One must also remember that contraceptives are not regular requirements for the maintenance of reproductive health. In fact, they are practiced against a natural reproductive event. In conception or pregnancy, one is forced to use these methods earlier to prevent pregnancy or to delay or space pregnancy due to personal reasons. No doubt, the widespread use of these methods have a significant role in checking uncontrolled growth of population. However, there are possible ill effects like nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleedings, irregular menstrual bleedings, or even breast cancer. Okay, though not very significant, should not be totally ignored. So remember students, using of these contraceptives may also lead to this kind of problems like nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleeding, irregular menstrual bleeding, or even breast cancer. So it should be used in a regular way. Okay, because everything will, if it will be overused, that will lead to a problem. Okay.